It is the year 2020. The COVID-19 pandemic has devastated the whole world. To prevent food shortage, we decided to raise chickens. We brought 4 hens. They gave us many happy hours. They lay 3 or 4 eggs every day, so we got many of their eggs. I built a simple coop for them. Every evening, I close the door to protect them. But very soon, I find that I run into a problem. I need to travel. I cannot stay home all the time. So if I'm not home, who will open and close the coop door for them? I need a smart door so I can control it through the internet. Now this is the smart door I have installed. The power for the door is from a solar panel. So I bought it on Amazon. It's 100 watts for $80. The solar power goes through a charge controller. And the charge controller connected to a 12-volt battery. The battery provides constant power for my relay modules. This relay is a single switch, can be controlled by an app on the cell phone, and you can turn on and off through the internet. Now this module is a dual switch. They can control the motor and also can change the polarity of the motors to have the motor either move forward or go backwards. You can see this module is connected to the motor. The motor is connected to a linear actuator connected to the panel of the chicken coop door. On my cell phone, I installed an app called EV Link. So now in any corner of the world, if I have internet, I can control the door. I have tested this smart chicken coop door recently. I went to a painting competition in latter part of October for 10 days. So I was in San Angelo, Texas, so I used this door to control. The chickens are happy and I'm happy too. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe my channel. I will do more video like this. Thank you for watching.